First, align the two LOKLiK iPaint grid base mat pieces edge to edge with no gaps. Use the included grid base mat tape to secure the seam and prevent shifting during use. Then, peel off the protective film from the mat surface. Make sure all edges lie flat on the table with no curling or creases. Now, place the LOKLiK iPaint on the mat and align it with the 2 foot markers, ensuring the device sits perfectly within the solid lines. Finally, before powering on, ensure the pen tip is aligned with the origin marker on the mat. The high adhesion mat is not recommended for paper products. It is best suited for canvas, framed paintings, art boards, wooden boards, and fabrics. After use, cover the mat with the protective film for storage.